there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2015 Ford Explorer with some damage in the right rear door. Take a look at it. Alright, here's a look at the damage in this right rear door, this Ford Explorer. This is what we call a crease style dent. So this dent is actually running through the body line, as you can see, and also went into the edge of the panel and caused a sharp outwards line in the panel there, as you can see in the video here. So we have to use quite a few different specialty tools to get this damage out, but it's no problem for us here at Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Stay tuned to watch the finished results here in a moment. Let's take a look at this Ford Explorer door again. Here we are, the finished results. We were able to get that body line back out into original shape and save that edge from the outwards damage that was in it. So, like I said, we had to use quite a bit of specialty tools to get all this damage out, but it was no problem for us here. If you've got any similar damage in your vehicle that you'd like repaired, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future.